Hey, mister, we're lost in Spooky Land. How do you get out of here?
Follow that road. You'll have a howling good time.
These are getting pretty hairy, man. Wow, Pep, I feel like going for a swim. Chip, what screen has scales and claws? Creature from the Black Lagoon? Let's get out of here! That was unbelievable! It's the Space Brothers! Yeah!
And you're just in time for...
Space Cats!
Somewhere up in outer space, a clever but unhuman race observed our planet was a mess.
Working in the laboratories until they finally did create a perfect answer to the quest.
Those space cats from another planet on a mission, fighting crime with feline intuition. Space cats are cool, heroes, fight for justice, fight for freedom. That's exactly why we need them. Space cats roll. They're furry, they're funny, they're alphabet.
No more away. Space Cats will be back after these messages. If you want to be hip, we'll show you where it's at because it's time to go back to Space Cats.
The extremely thrilling adventures of the Space Cats will return after these messages.
And now, back to Space Cat, my favorite program.
Will the Space Cats return after these messages? You bet. Stay tuned.
Home. We're still stuck in Spooky Land. I'm not scared. Are you scared? I'm not scared either, man. A werewolf? Werewolf! Ah! I wish we were home. Wow! That was close.
Excuse me, are you through with that machine?
Whoa! We're being hounded! But don't you go away. Stay tuned for more Saturday Morning Fun here on NBC.
Leaving so soon?
Hey kids, who's smarter than the average bear? It's Yo Yogi, coming up next, right here on NBC's Saturday Morning of Fun-Filled Cartoons.